How to fix Pluxee account login not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your phone and scroll down your notification bar. In here, make sure you have internet connection connected properly. If it does not work, you can switch to mobile data as well. Now, another thing what you can do is open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and notifications. Then click on Pluxee app, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on permissions, which is the second option. After you're in permission, make sure permission is granted to files and media, location, and phone. After that, go back and click on advanced, which will expand. Then, in advanced, you will find battery, click on it. And make sure the dot is in optimize, which is the second option. After you do that, you can simply go back. Go back from here and you will find storage and cache. Click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache at the top. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Pluxee account login not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.